Hi children, welcome to Commerce class. In this session, we'll see Unit 5, Elements of Marketing, Chapter 13, Concept of Marketing and Marketer. Marketer is one who deals in a market, especially one who promotes or sells a product or service. A marketer is someone whose job involves marketing and who promotes or exchanges goods or services for money. So he is a person who promotes and exchanges the goods and services for money. Definition of marketer given by Business Dictionary. A person whose duties include the identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers as well as marketing of those goods and services on behalf of a company. So Business Dictionary tells that marketer is a person who is converting the wants of the consumer by means of exchanging the goods and services on behalf of the company. What can be marketed? Marketing is a comprehensive concept which starts from the point of creation till the delivering of goods and services to the consumers and other businesses. So there are many items which can be marketed and they are listed here. Goods. Manufactured goods are the main constituents of marketing in all countries across the world. Companies and individuals market goods like consumer durables, electronic products, machineries, computers, and its softwares and hardwares. Services. Not only physical goods can be marketed, even the services of many organizations can be marketed to the customers, namely banking, insurance, finance, hospitality, tourism, professional consultations, etc. Experiences. The unique and varied experiences pertaining to a place or a park or an event can be marketed under this concept. For example, amusement parks, theme parks, mountaineering, etc. Events. The event marketing aims at promoting and marketing of special events, shows, exhibitions, fairs, performances, sports events like World Cup, Olympics, T20, IPL, etc. Persons. The marketing of goods and services through celebrities is a successful formula for creating a brand relationship with the consumers. The endorsement for the brand of a company can be carried on by a cinema star, sports star, musicians, and eminent personalities. Places. Under place marketing, tourist business prospects, new residents, and lands are appealed to visit and particular geography by promoting special characteristics of places like infrastructural facilities, amusements, climatic conditions, entertainment, culture, etc. can be marketed. Properties. Properties include both real property and financial property, which involves the transfer of ownership on sale or purchase of the same. For example, constructed houses, land, plot, building, shares, debentures, mutual fund, etc. Organizations. An organization can market itself in order to build an image for by sponsoring events, adoption of village, donations for charitable causes, corporate social responsibility activities, etc. That is placing the barricades, building the bus stops, and so on. Information. Information is the most valuable product that can be marketed today. The data collected by an organization can be used as a product for this purpose. For example, information collected by libraries, research agencies, educational institutions, book publishers, broadcasting companies, internet, etc. Ideas. Even an idea may change the world. Innovative and attractive ideas are desirable products for the marketers to sell. Social media marketing thrives, that is, it's prosper on the new ideas in a consistent manner. So the social media marketing is always looking for new ideas to interact with the market. Role of a marketer. The marketer plays four roles: instigator, innovator, integrator, and implementer. Instigator. Instigator means who initiates everything. As an instigator, marketer keenly watches the developments taking place in the market and identifies marketing opportunities emerging in the ever-changing market. He or she puts in a place appropriate marketing mix to capitalize the opportunity. In such a case, marketer plays an instigator and leads the business towards a new direction. Innovator. Innovator means who is looking for new ideas, new innovations, new options, new delivery pattern, new pricing structure, etc. So he will always focus on new ideas. Marketer seeks to distinguish his products or services by adding additional features or functionalities to the existing product, modifying the pricing structure, introducing new delivery patterns, creating new business models, and introducing change in production process, and so on. So he brings a change in the market. Integrator. Marketer plays a role of integrator in the sense that he collects the feedbacks or vital inputs from the channel members and the consumers and provides products or services as a solution to the customers or the consumers by coordinating multiple functions of the organization. So he is the person who integrate with the customer and with the organization. Implementer, who will actually enter into all actions of an organization. Marketer plays a role of implementer when he or she actually converts marketing opportunities into a marketable product with the help of several functional teams put in a place in the organization. So he will look for the opportunities and he will insist the organization to function in a particular manner. Functions of marketer. The marketer not only act as instigator, innovator, integrator and implementer, but also he does several functions in these roles: gathering and analyzing marketing information, market planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing of products, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, storage and warehousing. These are the functions of a marketer carried out in any organization. Thank you.